you that?
Yeah, no, I never did realize.
God bless. I'm your boy DJ. I'm gonna say that one now straight out of street but a studio. Don't know the thing though. I'm gonna say slowly but surely. Lord will come through there. Don't know the thing though. I can't tell them something in them. Slowly but surely. Right, I know what me feel for, I no reefer. Scripture what they on the leaf, ya make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper, in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza off of the street. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, after me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, come on a preacher. Me no follow back a leader, cause me a leader. You know enough for me can Libra, you a Libra. I'll be holy, God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy, God die if me sin like him holy. Him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Them a wonder how me reach up at the peak. Stepping at the face a reaper. With my sneaker me bun devil like a Easter. With a eater me hotter than a proper fever. Me no freezer when me go down pan them knees ya. Devil have to run like same is a pack of zebra or a river. Me no in and no eager no hurry neither. Man a Solomon a coulda what do Sheba. But surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me Jesus. Him never fail not a one fox. Satan in cunning like a one fox. Anytime me want help God me contact. Walk by faith so me don't want no contact. And me say the most I send him son fi die for me, so me have to big up me grandpa. So all when me dey a studio I lay down a one track. Me stay on track like a ham track. Slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Right, I know what me feel for, I no reefer. Scripture what they on the leaf, ya make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper, in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza off of the street. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, come on a preacher. Me no follow back a neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me can Libra, you a Libra. Surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Tell them. Tell them, tell them, tell them. Tell them, tell them, tell them, tell them, tell them. God bless.
Space Foundation.
You and tell you see the Father before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like each bada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. So you like tell people lie. If we can't accommodate evil guy. It's easier for you see a vehicle fly or see a camel go through the eagle eye. I know the youths are the future so build them. No matter try sell them you build them. And you are call yourself Michael Jackson. Hope you not touch no little children. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. All look like each other. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. Don't do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Bleach out your face like you don't want that skin there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Your body is a temple, the Lord feel live in there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. You can't be a star and go star in another film there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. I'll kick out you man. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Fruit of the spirit you feel be upon the limb there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. No accept no evil, that you feel a fling with. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Call yourself devil hell, you don't want to live in there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Do not go a hell for the sin there. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father before judgment meet the Gaza. Don't fishy just like the CBS. You a walk around with a mask by your face like what you try to be Jason. You can't eyebrow free me, that fishy like the CBS. You a walk around with a mask by your face like Jason. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father before judgment beat the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha? 33 degrees you reach the border. You water now you know hold no water. Hurry and see the Father. Look for you and tell you see the Father before judgment beat the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha? 33 degrees you reach the border. You water now you know hold no water. Hurry and see the Father.
Jaja never fail.
What is it? I'ma stop it. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. The landlord a call say the rent won't pay. Light man cut off me light yesterday. Before me go ball, me go pray. Cause me know the Lord Jesus, him a go make a way. Me a go stay safe till me whole and grey. Now make the devil make me lose me way. Now make Satan steal my joy. Me a go stay happy like when Pitney a play. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. You are all when me no have no funds. Now go turn to the knife or the guns. Father got the man take care of the birds, so him now left out him daughters and sons. Yesterday my basket full of crumbs, but today it weigh about couple tons. Anytime the Father working miracle, devil laugh you wonder how come. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. Pon the Lord God you can depend. Him now go trick and him now go pretend. Anything you want know the Father we send come give you. He no matter where or when. Same God no one of the same God then. Did it before him can do it again. The same God who bless Isaac and Jacob, Job and Noah. Yes him a my friend. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. Say the landlord a call say the rent won't pay. Light man cut off me light yesterday. Before me go ball, me go pray. Cause me know the Lord Jesus, him a go make a way. Me a go stay safe till me whole and grey. Now make the devil make me lose me way. Now make Satan steal my joy. Me a go stay happy like when Pitney a play. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me one a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed.
Alright, so Jonathan is off to school, which means I can just continue. My fingers are so hot. So, like, this is bad. My face not that swollen. It was this morning. Let me. I'm gonna use my Marabidis Badis.
They say that we are free, but I'm still searching for my freedom. It's not working.
So I asked you guys what kind of makeup you wanted to do, and 67% of you said you wanted it to be natural. So I just did this look just now. So this is the look that we have for today. And I am using my vlog camera, the Sony a5100, for this video because it's smaller and I'll be going around today, so it just makes sense to me. I also asked you guys what you want me to do, head wrap or wig, and you said wig. So here we go.
Can't bother me, not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little load pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I meet the camp of prey. Like so them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like say me like away. Can't bother for your work like a slave. Friday come and me no get a proper pay. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like we find another way. Can't bother for your live behind bars. Me freed up the way behind bars. Me trying to move forward, but it's like some stuck in a traffic and me dey behind cars. I say, free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. And I say all the stuff we need to be free from. Free from mental slavery. Free from all this crime and violence. Free from sin. And all these things. Now I mean, I wanna be free. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free.
Alright guys, so we have voted for wig, and this is the same wig from Longqui, but you guys know that, did I tell you guys, like customs have been really messing with my packages, so this one I still have, and I just colored it yesterday. You guys, I'm not sure if this looks better, yeah. Hi guys, so I'm in my dress that you guys chose, but I had to wear this long thing over it because it's kind of short because of my bum to belly ratio, and I wear this because it's sleeveless. So be proud of it. Nice and clean. Yeah. Alright, come. Oh god.
I know exactly where he's at, but he's coming. I think he will be going to the Electra also. So he'll stop by here, then come, and both of you go on to the other. I say, well, when I spoke to them, it was...
I'm back home and I'm ending the video here. I'm going to be eating my island grill. I haven't had it as yet. Today was a long day. I didn't expect it to be such a long day. And I was talking to one of my aunts and she's like, yo, Simone, take it easy, don't be doing much. I'm like, auntie, I'm so not doing much. There are days where I'm just lying down on the bed. Jonathan,
No.
you're not gonna fight.
I'm still not going to fight.
When you're still not going to fight, you have to fight.
Good job.
Jonathan, you put the TV on Netflix?
Yes.
I say you plan to live your life? Look there, Jonathan, I forgot to turn on the fan for you.
Somebody have to do it then. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, thank you. See, the fan is on me. But yeah, so I'm going to go leave this video here. Thank you so much for your support. Shout out to all my Instagram fam. If you're not following me on Instagram, but what you're doing, I do all my polls over there. Not polls as in, you know, as in like what to do next. You know, all my suggestions over there and stuff. And your support has been phenomenal. So shout out to every single one. If you're from IG, please put your IG name and I don't know, or just say, yeah, I'm from IG. You don't have to put your IG name. If you want to put your IG name, that's fine, but just say, yo, I'm from IG, I'm a part of the IG fam, or I voted, you know. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.